I wanted to come on real quick and share a color changing method that I just came across that I'm really excited about. What I love so much about it is you can do it during the middle of the row, the side of the row, and with any kind of stitch height that you want to use. If you're familiar with a typical color change, you would go in and then just do half of the stitch, bring in your new color to complete that stitch and start that new color. And there's nothing wrong with this. I've been using it for years. The only thing that I find with this is that it's a bit loose and fiddly, and so I'm spending extra time here just trying to tighten everything and get it ready for me to continue. But the method that I just discovered is the same kind of concept, but a lot easier and faster. To do this color change, really easy. You would just complete your stitches as you normally would. You don't have to think about when you need to change color until you actually do. You can complete that previous stitch. And when you're ready to change color, just give yourself a little bit of a loop, remove your hook, insert your hook into the front loop and this little sidebar here. Pull your yarn through. And you can either complete the stitch now or you can get rid of this loop here just by pulling on the strand. And continue on, making your stitch. And this is what you have on the back side. And that's all there is to that. Now, what if you want to do it on the side? Complete your last stitch. Remove your hook from the loop, going into the front loop and that sidebar there. Pull your new color through, pull on the old color, and continue on. So if you're wondering if this would work for tapestry crochet, yeah, absolutely. Here I'm coming up to that green, and now I'm just going to insert into those two bars, bring the color back through, create my stitch, and here you can just pull that back down and you're good to go. So this little floating strand here you would get with the other technique of changing color too. So it's not any better or worse, it's very much the same. But for me, I just find that this is a really convenient way of changing colors. If you want to do it with a treble crochet, it's the same concept. Create your treble. Going into the two bars here, bring in your new color. Either make the stitch or pull that yarn there, and then continue on with your new color. And what about half double crochets and singles? Yes, it works for those as well. Let's go ahead and do a half double crochet. The only difference here is you're going to go through these 3 bands of yarn. Okay, bring in the new color, pull it through, create your stitch, pull on the old one, and you're ready to go. Single crochet, let's do a change for that. Remove your hook, and just in these 2 bars here, pull the yarn through. You can create your next stitch, or you can pull on that strand, whichever order you want to do it in. And you're good to go again. And again, you can do this on the side if you want to do a single crochet color change here. Go ahead and just pull on that now. And we're good to go. And And to weave in your ends, there's nothing different that you have to do. Just pick your favorite method and use it like you normally would. So let me know what you think of this and if you're going to give it a try. I think this is becoming very quickly my new favorite technique because there's so many times when I'm working with color changes that I forget to leave those 2 remaining loops on and change the color. I'm always having to pull things back to get that right. So this is going to be my go-to technique for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.